guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by, but make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. And I don't know what this is, but I have another PR package from Maybelline, guys. It's pretty light, but I have no idea. The last package I have from Maybelline, I definitely had an email about it. So I don't know what this is. I checked my email. Nevertheless, I'm excited and I'm ready to get into it. If you guys are ready to see what I got from Maybelline, because I don't even know, keep on watching. Here we are. I'm so excited. I don't know what it is. If you're new here, I don't wear this is not a regular look, but it low-key is a regular look. Just forget it. Just forget it. All right, so let's go. I did peel off that sticker, so that's a mess. But like this comes to my house, and y'all don't need to know that. Everything else goes to my business mailbox, so there's that. But let's go. And this tape, India proof. Like I can't open anything, and you guys know that. But I have no idea what it is. The last thing I was sent was the Teddy lip tints. It's a long name, so that's the best I got. Sorry. And I knew that was coming. Okay. I forgot it was coming, and then I checked my email, and I knew what it was. There we go. Come on. Stop. Oh, it's a mascara. All right. Okay, so for lashes so full, they're bursting with volume. That means I'm going to take my lashes off and try this. And my mascara off. No shade, so we gotta do it. So this is the inflator comb brush that separates and inflates the lashes. Colossal Bubble. This is so nice. But look. Oh, so there's a copper brown and a very black. I'm excited. I was not expecting this at all, and I love mascara. Not gonna lie, Maybelline mascaras. I don't want to say another brand name, but like, compared to like high-end, really expensive mascara, Maybelline's got it. And for me, my lashes are so unruly. Like they're really just a mess, y'all. They're long and they're thick, but they do whatever they want. And it ain't cute. So a good mascara literally makes it look like I have on like light lashes, and I like that. So here's the Colossal Bubble. I like the yellow. I like the packaging. Whoever this person is, because you know I don't know pronouns. Gorgeous. She looks like a person of color too, and I like that. Okay, so let's see. Oh, okay. So it doesn't look, I don't know, can you guys see? It's like a kind of twisted staircase. And this is the black. It's very black. It's very nice, but it's short bristled. Okay, that's not bad. Let's see what the copper brown is. Interesting color. Oh, it's brown. It's brown. Usually browns are like dark brown. This is brown, y'all. Oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna take off my lashes and my mascara, and we're gonna try it. Not the brown. That's a lot. But we're gonna try it and see if it really lifts the lashes. I'll let you guys see what the lashes look like. This is my lashes. What they look like before the mascara. I'm gonna do it after. Real-time application. Maybe I'll do one. Okay, I'll be back without lashes, ready to get into this mascara. Lashes off, mascara off. I don't want to talk about it. Did I get a little micellar water in my eye? Yeah. So let's get into this. Here's what they look like before. I did just put on some more eyeliner because my lashes took it off. But can we see the difference? I want to be able to see the difference. Let's see what this do. This is for lashes so full, they're bursting with volume. So let's get that. I love volume in lashes. So let's get up in there. Okay, so that's one coat. It's probably a little hard to see with my eye makeup. Can you guys see the difference? Let me see. For me, up close, I see the difference. Again, my eye makeup may be in the way. I'm gonna do another coat though. I feel like feel like that wasn't enough. I feel like that didn't get it. I feel like I need a little bit more. Okay. I think that's a lot better. Yeah. I think there's a difference. Can you guys see? I hope you guys can see it on camera. Come a little closer. In comparison to this eye. It looks a little crazy, but hopefully you guys can see it. Now, my thoughts, is it so much volume that it brings? No. Not after one coat. I think the second coat definitely does it, but I kind of wish the spoolie was like, I wish the little fibers were longer to really comb out each particular lash. Maybe shorter is better for that, but I feel like a little longer would be good, but it does really get in there. I think the fact that it's like twisted really like combs them out as you go. And like I said, my lashes are so thick and long, but they do whatever they want. Like, why are you guys embarrassing me? Like, some of them grow down and get to my eye and I just pluck those, like, because what are you doing? But I think looking straight ahead with the two, I think you can see the difference even with the eye makeup. What do you guys say? Look at this. Nothing. And I think it looks really good. Like a softer eye, you could really see the lashes. On days where I just put on like brow gel, mascara, I think this would be really good. I think it does really comb out your lashes and give you that volume. I don't know if it's colossal volume. I don't know if it's so much. I'm being honest. Sorry, I'm not paid for this, so I'm going to tell you guys exactly how it is, and you guys can probably see. I'm not going to compare it to another mascara right now, but I got to do it. I think I should do a video on my favorite mascaras. But this is not bad. I do like it. And again, also shout out to Maybelline because it's not dry. I've literally bought brand new mascaras where I feel like it's dry inside. What's that? Why is it already dry? That pisses me off so bad because then I have to add a little contact solution. And everybody's not gonna have contact solution because everybody doesn't wear contacts. So it's just a little annoying. But I think to really see the difference, we're gonna try the brown. I've never worn a brown mascara before, but we're gonna try it. It's copper brown. It's a brown. So hopefully you guys can really see the difference on camera with this one. Oh boy, I'm scared. Look at that. It's so brown. Fun fact, my natural hair color is brown. And it gets sun bleached red. So if I'm outside too much, even the blue, like one time in Vegas, the front of my hair, because of my hat, it turned white. I said, yeah, this heat too serious for me. But let's go in with the copper. I'm scared. Can you, guys, give me some encouragement. I'm scared. But I think you'll be able to really see the difference.
That is not correct.
Okay, after one coat, it's not so brown. I just don't see it. Please excuse my mirror, guys. I'm doing my best. If it ain't broke, don't break it. And that's the only reason I still have it. I'm gonna give it one more dip because I'm not really seeing the brown. Maybe it's not, I don't know. It's blending in with the lash? With my lash? Okay. Okay, 2 coats of the brown. It's not super brown like I thought it would be. I don't know why. I don't know. Again, maybe I need to go on with like a bare face, but I can see the difference. Like I can see the difference with the mascara on. I think, you know, same formula, just a different color, same applicator. It applies about the same. I just expected it to be a little bit, you know, more brown. I don't know. That was a little anticlimactic because I thought it would just be more brown. I'm gonna try it again. I think I'm gonna have to try it again with like a softer eye. I think it looks good. I think the black looks good. I think it combs out the lash very well. I think it does add volume. I don't know how much volume. And I don't know how many coats of mascara I'm supposed to use. I usually go in with 2 and no more than that. So we'll try. But I also do have I do have thicker lashes. So do my lashes look like this woman's right here? They do. I'm not gonna lie. It is that. I just don't know if that's extra voluminous. I think I have to test it against another mascara to see, but I'm not upset. I do like the applicator. I think the spoolie is great. I think I like the little twist in it because I need it. Again, my lashes grow every which way, and it absolutely does give you some volume. Like, you guys can't see it from the side. Like, I can see my lashes. They're pretty long. They look nice. It's a good mascara. Out of 5, I give it a 3.5 for now. I did expect the brown to be more brown, but I'm very grateful to try this. But you guys know I can't lie. I can't lie, and it's always on my face. So would I buy it again? I would. I didn't even buy it before, but would I purchase this on my own? I would. I don't even know the price. Let's check it out. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. I would buy $12.99. I would buy this because I was buying for the longest time, and I don't need to say the brand name. You guys know it's $23 for mascara. Do I love it? Yes. But can I get the same results with the cheaper mascara? I can. Is Maybelline a really good brand, really good quality? They are. So I would absolutely purchase this for myself or my mother, who's always looking for, y'all, she's literally always looking for a mascara. I don't know what she's doing with it. But it says the inflator chrome brush separates and inflates lashes. I think that claim is absolutely true. It absolutely separates lashes, and trust me, the minute I clean off my lashes, they get all twisted, and I use the Q-tip, so I was really getting in there. Yeah, it calmed it out. So I think the claims are true as far as untangling your lashes. Super volume, I don't know. I'm gonna have to try that again, maybe with like a super clean face to really see the difference. And when I do, I would absolutely show you guys. Probably do it in a short, so make sure your notification bells are on and set to all so you're notified every single time that I upload. And while I'm saying that, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.